All right, so Kimura defense from half guard, or I'm in half mount. He's attacking with the half guard Kimura. Now, when he sits up for this and comes up on his elbow like that, what I like to do is get my head between like where my chest and his belly's at, like this. Okay. Next thing, I'm gonna get my hands together like this. Okay. So he's got that wedge in and pull out. Okay. If at any point they are able to clear their grip and let go of everything because they're aware of this, if you get hit with it, you become hyper aware of it. And they start, backing out or whatever, you can just go into your pass, right? So, that does happen for me sometimes because some people, if they're, really good half guard players or half guard Kimura is one of their moves, they know about this. The cool thing about this is a lot of people that I run into really aren't working on it. Again, I'm in his half guard. He catches that Kimura, wedge in, get your hands together, pull out, and that's your submission.